An easy and creamy first course? Leave it to Manuel. Let's start with the pancetta. Remove the rind but don't throw it away. Put it in the pan and let it slowly release its strong flavor. In the meantime, cut the pancetta into small cubes and then throw them straight in the pan. While the pancetta is getting browned, let's cut the zucchini. In addition to being really easy, this pasta is quick to prepare. The pancetta has browned perfectly. Just look at that lovely color. Remove the rind and set the pancetta aside. Now in the same pan, add a clove of garlic with the skin removed. Let's raise the heat slightly and let the zucchini cook till they're golden. Season with some salt and pepper and give them a flip. The zucchini are now perfectly cooked. Let's remove the garlic. We'll set aside just a couple to use to decorate the plate, and we will blend the others with some basil and some water. That's enough. Get all the cream out of there. It's good.
Bravo.
Put the cream in the pan. And we can throw in the pasta. Dump in the trophie. Wait a few minutes, and when they are nice and al dente, we'll transfer them to the pan, along with some of the cooking water. Add almost all of the pancetta, and give it a good flip. And now, we can plate it. Polish the dish by topping it with a little bit of pancetta, and with the zucchini that we set aside, and decorate it with some basil leaves and a hearty grind of black pepper. That moment has also arrived today, the moment of tasting. So let's taste. It's so good.
Bravo Manuel.
Try it! Try it! It's so easy!
Ciao.